Early morning, IRC Ghana. A team arrives at Radio Anapoa to highlight water, sanitation and hygiene issues and to report on progress in the Asutifi North District initiative to deliver wash access to everyone in the district by 2030. General Entry Isubontin, Dex Officer at Asutifi North District Assembly, is responsible for reporting to the public on the ANAM initiative.
Busumi ayesi me nyama bebre na tumi akoso we wo wash dwumadie no wa woni minsuo ene ahonidie nsema a ekoso wo ha sei no ye de metimamfo no amanfo so ani agye pa wo nsuo yi demi a nyama esi eko eno ho na quickly no ma mencha menkancha tiefo se brand bia na mekai o mo se medwumadie a media ne se amanfo betumi di o mo complaints o mo how etoso biem entry boys akon ono so fidi ya brefo ono so se o mo boho no asei ANAM
is a partnership between the District Assembly and supporting agencies. One of the most significant providers and partners is World Vision Ghana.
We are very happy to be part of the Universal Wash Initiative in charge of delivering wash in the rural part of the district, in the schools, in healthcare facilities, as well. So we are able to provide clean water to 18,000 people, just not even up to 2 years. So it's a big story. There is one goal, a full-fledged goal, achieving universal coverage. Several organizations coming together to achieve a common objective in a concerted manner. I think that is exactly what we are doing in Asutifi North. We have all joined our hands towards achieving a common agenda under the umbrella of the master plan, the Universal Wash Master Plan. Is a unique experience for World Vision. I believe it's a unique experience for the other partners as well. The fact that we are in the midst of COVID makes us also focus. Hand washing is not possible without safe water, and sanitation is also part of that. We have seen demand for better sanitation facilities. We want to pursue that line so that households also own quality latrine facilities.
Another major partner, Safe Water Network, is investing with the District Assembly in water projects in small towns, as here in Wamahinsu.
So Safe Water Network's role was to invest in peri-urban areas and small towns, specifically provide safely managed water access in these areas, ensuring that the water remains safe, it's reliable, and it's affordable. Under this particular initiative, led by the District Assembly, we've been able to mobilize our financial resources together and co-invested in 2 water systems. Combined, we are looking at an investment of about $120,000. Now we've roped in a third party, and we are going to invest in a system that is even much more bigger than the 2 that we even did before. So far, we've been able to deliver water access to about 8,000 people in 2 communities. Our current initiative will provide water access to an additional 7,700. So that roughly takes us to about 16,000 people by the end of next year. There is still an opportunity to be able to deliver water services to an additional 10,000 plus people within Asutifi North. We also demonstrate the potential of applying a similar approach in other geographies within Ghana. Across Ghana, we estimate our market size to be about 3.2 million people. As partners, we are looking forward to working actively with the Ghana government to be able to mobilize district assemblies to follow on the footsteps of Asutifi North to be able to do similar initiatives within areas where they operate. One key thing that has come out of this initiative is an endorsement of the fact that local government authorities are willing to invest in water services, provided as partners we are also willing to invest a lot more time and effort in taking them through a process where they completely understand what it is that they are putting their resources into. Because we need to understand the fact that they are duty bearers And for every single CD or dollar that they spend, they have a responsibility of being able to explain to their constituents the reason why they are making that investment.
The Aquaria Institute, also part of the ANAM initiative, is focused on strengthening systems to ensure that new water services provided in Asutifi North continue to be safe. It has found innovative ways to secure water quality and financial sustainability.
The main challenge we identified is that water systems don't have enough revenue to meet operational costs or pay for testing. So our interventions are twofold. So one is to improve revenue collection for water systems, and then to use some of that increased revenue to pay for water quality testing. We provided kiosks to 30 water points. And so what the kiosks do is they formalize the water points, which encourages people to practice pay as you test. The kiosks also allow the water vendors, someplace to sit if it's raining or very sunny. And we also provided the water vendors with a small seed grant to purchase petty goods so that they could stock them and sell them at the kiosk. So we've seen a 67% increase in revenue collection. To improve water quality testing, we piloted what we're calling an assurance fund for water quality testing in Asutifi North. So this is an agreement between us, Aquaria, the DA, water systems, and nearby laboratories. And basically what happens is the lab conducts testing every month, and the assurance fund guarantees the test. The benefits for the water systems are that they get monthly testing and also monthly meetings as part of capacity building to talk through what the test results mean and discuss treatment actions. And so basically what it's showing is that when the program is set up, water systems can pay for testing, and the results are already proving useful to discuss some microbial contamination and how to make the water safe to drink.
So the test we did right now was to take the pH of the water. We did the conductivity, then the TDS, and then turbidity. Then we took a sample for microbial analysis, that's E. coli. So that will be done in the laboratory.
Next is replicating the pilots. So for the kiosk program, World Vision is going to install 26 new kiosks, which will almost double the number of kiosks that we've installed. And then for the Assurance Fund program, we're beginning the process of replicating this in other districts to ensure that water systems all over Ghana are meeting the Ghana Standards Authority requirements for testing.
Even the best partnerships need support to keep the wheels turning smoothly. In Asutifi North, IRC Ghana plays this hard role.
In a good working partnership, you need to have a backbone organization that serves as the glue to ensure coordination and alignment of the different activities of the Conrad Hilton grantee partners who are working in Asutifi North District to be able to drive change. So IRC role in the partnership is to ensure that we have a master plan that everybody believes in, that everybody has contributed in, that everybody is committed to, and also ensuring that at every point of the way, partners are keeping their eyes on the ultimate vision, which is ensure universal water access. We are constantly reviewing the performance of the plan and ensuring that we are on track, and that if we are falling short, we identify areas that we need to redouble our efforts. We have created a hub office for the different partners to be able to work from one space where we can share facilities, where we can network, where we can collaborate, where we can talk to each other. And we believe that by being able to do that, we achieve greater efficiency because we are sharing costs and also reducing the effort that would have been required by the different partners to get in touch with each other, to share information and what have you. As part of the hub role, we help to track and measure the progress that the partnership is making. We've been able to develop a shared monitoring, evaluation and learning framework that we will collectively use for tracking. Enumerators go to the communities to collect asset and household data. So they go to every single water facility or infrastructure that is in the district to check on the current status of that facility. Another equally important bit to provide decision support tools and knowledge products that will support uptake of all the good experiences, the good cases that are coming up from Asutifi North District.
Anam communication with civil society and the public is supported by the Washington-based net-centric campaigns. This includes support for district assemblies input through Radio Anapua. Today, the topic is water quality testing.
No quite yare sabian so I would yare no a top part first and in soon yare we just say correla diarrhea any ade te ade edi enya power with mine nso ne yensa opa so wopa na senya so wopa yesa ye hu nhwemu na nhwemu ne water quality test no
me kono na meka chief nyina say omon log into your website or www.anamwash.com and as obet me afre the toll free number no na chese bibia tumi akoya me da se pa
okay and I was am after next month.